So I want to talk about one of the important themes for the course. One of the core expectations of the class is your engagement in the course via writing. And that's going to take the form of three different asks this term. One is a one-page single-spaced paper. One is a three-page single-spaced final paper. And one is a set of engagement activities on Canvas related to salon group activities. In the core of all of these, what I'm really looking for is your engagement with the material. You're showing that you've thought about this, not necessarily that you have answers, but that you're wrestling with the questions and maybe raising some questions of your own and trying to add value to both our conversations in class and to your learning outside of class. Mentioning what other people have said in the course readings or what your classmates have said in the conversation is great, but those should be just a jumping off point. The core focus of what you're writing about should be about your own ideas and your own reflections. Let me start with the first part. At some point during the term, I'm asking you to write a one-page single-spaced paper. It can be about one of the course sessions. It can be about a salon group activity. It can be some combination of the above. But you should have something that's provoked you to want to think and write in some kind of sustained fashion. Take the time to really think through what you think about that topic. Again, given it's only a page, there's only so much you can cover. Don't try to do too much, but really focus on something that matters to you and spend some time really delving into it. The second is the final paper, and that's an important part of your grade. Here's a chance to explore something in a little bit more depth. Hopefully it's one of the things that brought you to the class in the first place, or one of those burning questions that the class has left you wanting to think about more deeply. Spend some time, given that you've got 3 pages, really thinking deeply about what matters to you, some of the core questions that you've got about it, some of the insights that you would want to lift up and hold out for other people who are also thinking about that topic. And I want to be clear, I'm very happy to meet with you and talk to you about your ideas and the right way to scope your ideas for the final paper. The last thing I'd mention is your writing activities on salon groups. Every time your salon group meets, you're supposed to make a short posting on the Canvas website so everybody in the class can know what you're doing. Even if you're not on that team, one of the important ways in which you can show engagement is to read those posts and to write something in response. Maybe you had a question about what the group did. Maybe there was something on there that you found really interesting you'd like to learn more about. Maybe you've also done this similar kind of thing and you want to share some of your insights with your classmates. Finding opportunities to show engagement with salon group activities is another important way you can contribute to the learning in the class. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with in your writing activities this term. Thank you.